Hey guys, welcome to Untitled Reviews. And today I want to do a little video review on location at a secret location because this beach is so stinking private, I guess, sort of, but it's a nice hideaway and I'm not going to tell you about it. But anyway, what I am going to tell you about is a cart and a cooler combination that I feel like is perfect for the dad, for the husband, for the party guy, girl, whatever. And transportation out to the beach can sometimes be a hassle. For years I had a cart that seemed to dig itself into the sand and I really just drug it across. Or I've had one of those stupid coolers that you drag out thinking you got wheels, but then you get to the beach and it just becomes a super big hassle. But anyway, this walks like butter across the sand. Alright, come here. It's a modular design because this is the OtterBox Venture. This is the 45 quart, which I feel like is the perfect size for this cart. This is a beach. I will leave all links down in the YouTube description below. But this beach cart alone, the wheels on it are really big, and there's only 3 psi pressure in these wheels, and it's designed to pancake out over the sand and really just coast right across the sand. I'll show you here in a little bit how easy it is to roll. But the cart can support like 150 pounds or something like that, which should be good enough to get you where you need to go with everything on it. And I'm able to pack in everything over here on this. 2 umbrellas, 4 chairs, that little floaty thing which kind of doesn't count. I can pack a canopy and everything else. I can just slide it over the back handrest over this. Huh?
And all those empty beer cans.
Yeah, and all those empty beer cans. Don't look at that! There's a trash can over there. We're going to throw it away. But I can pack everything on this one cooler and carry it out myself one-handed across the beach. It's fantastic. So let's talk about the OtterBox Venture. I think the OtterBox Venture series is the best cooler on the market if you can afford it. It's the same price as the Yeti. Difficult to find on sale. If you're kind of savvy, you can get about $50 off of it. That just depends on the sales because they only sell it on their website and like Best Buy. And Best Buy offered a really good sale once. And that's why we were able to get this. But it's modular. And if you check this out, you got a cup holder which you can buy, which sits every single size like stainless steel container that you could like this is the quart stick wine thingy mabob. It'll fit that. It'll fit your big tumblers, your Yeti stuff, all that kind of stuff. It'll fit every cup size into this. And it just snaps down into it. What you get is a dry box case with it. You get a dry box that fits into the top that slides across left or right. And you also get a modular bottle opener that snaps down into this where the cup holder is too. But this is cool too. You can get this option, and it's a modular case which you put keys, phones. You can get probably up to 3 cell phones into this, or 2 cell phones, some keys, a cell phone, and a wallet. It's modular, it snaps down into it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 kind of spots that you can utilize. There's also a cutting board that comes off the side. For the money, like I said, and the seal is crazy on the thing. And the thickness of the top, which the sun hits, it warms up the top, super thick up here. The seal is nice. The seal by itself, without even clamping this down, is difficult to open. It does such a good job. But you need to really season this out. Give yourself about 2 hours, put some gel packs in there. Let it get cold before you start adding the ice to it, and then you'll really get your lifespan out of the ice once you season it for like 2 hours before you actually use it. But the beach cooler itself, now I use bungee straps through here, around over the top, and that's another good thing I like about the OtterBox. It doesn't have the rope handles. It actually has physical handles, which you can use to anchor this to the cart itself. But to use this, I'm not even trying. Right? Not trying. Let's go across the soft sand. That's the real test. When your dad, the guy's out there pulling his tail off, he's just passing it. Look at these little, look at that. See? I'm not dragging it through the sand like I was before. So I'll leave a link to this beach cart down in the description. It's just been the best beach cart I've ever been able to find. It's actually physically tall enough to droop every chair over the handle, so you can have like a stack of chairs, stuff sitting down in the bottom and the back. Worth the money. And the cooler's worth the money too. And these chairs are the best beach chairs I've ever had in my life. They fold up so skinny. When you're limited on space, like we are in our little SUV, that brand right there, this folds up super skinny like that. And then when you're out here, this is the most comfortable. This sits right behind my head, just like this. I can honestly sleep in this all day. A lot of problems with the regular chairs. I have a bar that runs across here which hurts. This, my tail just sits out in the open. My back's completely open. This fits my Yeti koozie. It's nice and big here. Perfect. It's the perfect beach chair. And this is my perfect beach setup. This is what I'm using. This is what I'm stuck on for years to come. So I finally figured it out. And if you're a guy, if you're a dad, if you're a husband, you can be a lady too. And once you finally figure out the recipe to it, it all just comes together and makes sense. Links down in the description. Make sure to explode on that subscribe button and ding that dong so you get notified on the next video that I come out with. It's probably whatever. That's it. See ya.